I'm back. Today I will be unboxing the Perfume Shop Advent Calendar 2024 and I'm so excited because I haven't had an Advent Calendar since 2022 and this one finally winked at me. So today we're gonna see what's inside this bad boy. Let's do it. This calendar was 84 quid and let me tell you, it was an absolute pain to buy it because it was constantly sold out on their website and I signed up into the email, to get that little notification when it's back in stock, and they did not send that. Very nice. Anyway, I was just browsing Instagram stories when I was coming back from work one day and I saw they had a little ad with this advent calendar and I was like, let me see, maybe it's back in stock, and guess what? Bingo, it was there and I bought it like so quick. Anyway, I'm gonna see if this calendar it's worth the money and the wait. This calendar it's called Sent with Love Merry Spritmas from the Perfume Shop. This is how it looks. And it looks like in a little very nice sort of box which you can keep later. That's absolutely awesome. And this is how it looks in the back as well. Like you can see everything what it has inside. Okay, that's a very nice little spoiler right here. So this is how it looks without the packaging. It looks very luxurious and I think I need to click right here and voila. My god, this looks so amazing. I love the gold and the red, very festive, very Christmassy, and it has a little mirror here which is very convenient. And I think it has a second drawer right here and look at that. Oh my god, if this doesn't scream Christmas, I don't know what it is. So let's start. Day number 1 is right here and we have this little tiny box. Oh wow, that's so cute. Seriously, I feel like that's everything what I'm gonna say in this video. So we have this Jean-Paul Gaultier miniature eau de parfum Gaultier Divine. This is how it's called. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Is that possible? Look. Day number 2 is not on the top, so I think it's somewhere down, and I'm right. Here she is, number 2. Feels a little bit heavier. I mean, they're all miniatures, which is great. And oh my days, this is so cute. Look at that. It's a little Versace Parfum Dylan Purple Eau de Parfum, 5 mils. Purple. The bottle, everything is just so cutesy, so demure. Day number 3 is right here on the top and let's see. Oh, it's a little bit of a bulky box. It's a little miniature of Billie Eilish Eau de Parfum Pearl. I know there are people who actually collect these bottles and I can see why, because they look so well on any dressing table. This is what I have. My goodness. Day number 4 is one of the biggest ones I've seen so far, but it's very light. We have Good Girl by Carolina Herrera in the shade. It's called Blush Elixir in 7 mils. How awesome this looks. Day number 5 and let's see. It's a little Michael Kors Parfum 5 mils Eau de Parfum and this is absolutely stunning. Day number 6 and let's see, what do we have? This is what we have here, Lady Million by Paco Rabanne Eau de Parfum, and it's one of those super freaking cute little bottles that looks like this and is amazing. Day number 7 is again here on the top. They made it really difficult because they mix like all the numbers, so it's not like, in an order, just like all over everywhere. The next one we have the Perfect by Marc Jacobs in that little cute funky bottle which looks like this. Oh, if I could eat them. That's how freaking cute they are. Day number 8 is a big bulky one and it's right here. This is probably the biggest perfume of this advent calendar, which is by Christina Aguilera, #1 awarded celebrity brand, 15 mil. I think I always wanted one of this but never tried it, so today's the day. I mean, December is the month that will be opening and see how it smells. Now, I've read as well that £5 from each of these advent calendars were donated to some sort of charity, so even better. Day number 9, let's see what perfume we have this time. And this time we have a little Lancome, I think, La Vie est Belle, with this little cute bow. Oh, So sweet. Day number 10, we have another tiny one. Oh no, it's actually a little bit longer. And this is called Beautiful Magnolia by Estee Lauder. I haven't tried any perfumes from this brand like ever. So do you know anything about it? Is it good? Is it not worth me opening or giving it as a little gift? Do let me know. Day number 11, and let's see. We have this beautiful moon ghost. I think it's called Ghost. Day number 12, and let's see if I can find it. And here we have All of Mine by Narciso Rodriguez. If you know, you know. Day number 13, and we have a little boss, Eau de Toilette. Day number 14, I think this is my lucky number, and we have, it's a little Moschino toy, 2 pearl, 5 mils. Oh, I love the holographic little box. My god, day number 15 is huge, but it's super light, so no high expectations. I mean, I do have expectations. This one is called Zadig and Voltaire. This is really her, 10 mil. Day number 16. Oh, okay. I can't think it's again a male one. It's Calvin Klein 1 Essence, Perfume Intense. And I must see how the bottle looks. This is how it looks. My goodness, it looks like a miniature of like vodka bottle. I mean, definitely it's not vodka. What am I thinking of that? Day number 18, and let's see what do we have. This time is 1 million Paco Rabanne. How beautiful this is. I genuinely can't get over how cute are these little bottles. Okay, we're getting so close to the end, and day number 19 is this one. Oh, this one is Invictus by Rabanne again. I don't know, maybe I should sniff some of them. I feel like this one is for a he again. I think the only minus about this perfume is like perfume. I know I have only perfumes in my mind. Is that it's quite mixed, and this is definitely for he, because I think my husband has something very similar. Like, I remember the big bottle, so this is so freaking cute and tiny. I think it's perfect for traveling. I know they're actually made for like traveling because it's so convenient to take them around. Day number 20, and we have this time, I hope it's something for she. No, it's again for he. It's called Bad Boy by Carolina Herrera. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna make a very cute little Christmas gift or New Year's Eve gift. And this is how it looks, like a little lighting. Oh my goodness, how freaking stylish. Oh my goodness, I think I realized I missed one number. I missed number 17.
How could I? Like, seriously?
And number 17 we have, oh my god, I think this one was one of the main reasons why I got this advent calendar, because this is L'Indertit. I have no idea how you say that. Please excuse my French, but this is a little Givenchy perfume. Day number 21 is right here, and let's see what do we get. It's a super tiny one, and this is again a Michael Kors one. Perfume, Eau de Parfum. Okay, day number 22, and let's see what do I get. Oh my days. This bottle is killing me. Like, whoever came out with this design is a genius. I'm gonna give it a little sniff and see. Oh my god, this smells seriously my type of thing. Nice and soury and super sharp. This is what I love. It's interesting that some of the bottles have their own like branded box, and some of them are just like here naked. I mean, it's fine, I'm not complaining, but I'm just wondering why. Day number 23, and we have a chunky bulky box, very light. And this is okay. This is a little Travallo refillable perfume spray. So I guess it's one of those like traveling things again. Probably the least exciting thing from the whole advent calendar. Like, to be honest, it's something that I would sell or just like give it away, because yeah, it's just not exciting me. 24. So yeah, this is the last number of the advent calendar, and it's a big one, very light again. It's a little Issey Miyake Eau de Toilette or something. Never heard of it, but to be honest, I don't think it's that exciting for the Christmas Eve. Okay, this advent calendar is probably the best advent calendar I've ever bought because almost every single thing, except like a couple of days, was very exciting and I really wanted this. Like, not in vain it was sold out, right? So I hope next year is going to be as good as this because definitely I'm planning to buy it. It's totally worth it. I would pay even more. I know that I can buy like separately a full-size perfume, but then again, how can you try so many scents? Like, seriously, this is definitely worth your money. And I was thinking to buy the other one from the fragrance shop, but that one doesn't have that many like, branded slash designer perfumes. So you decide. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the huge thumbs up and see you next time. Hopefully soon. Bye!